The power of meditation, 11 daily benefits revealed. 1. Improved attention and concentration. Mindfulness meditation helps you focus on the here and now, which can improve your concentration in daily life and tasks. A 2011 study by Harvard Medical School examined the effects of mindfulness meditation on the brain and found a link between mindfulness and the processing of new information. Researchers studied the brains of 17 individuals before and after they participated in an 8-week meditation program. Brain scans showed an increase in gray matter in the parts of the brain responsible for learning, memory, and emotional regulation. Additionally, a 2016 study by Carnegie Mellon University demonstrated how mindfulness meditation can improve concentration and decision-making skills. The study involved 25 unemployed adults seeking work. One group participated in a 3-day relaxation program without mindfulness meditation components, while the other group participated in 3 days of mindfulness meditation. Brain scans before and after revealed an increase in connectivity between the parts of the brain that control attention for the meditation group. Richard Davidson, Ph.D., professor of psychology and psychiatry at the University of Wisconsin and founder of the Center for Healthy Minds, stated that the research demonstrates that we can actually train our attention and meta-awareness, and that this is a skill that can be learned. 2. Enhanced self-esteem and awareness. The beauty of mindfulness meditation is that it encourages you to slow down, allows for deeper self-reflection, and helps you discover positive traits about yourself. Mindfulness helps increase self-awareness by increasing the ability to examine your thoughts and feelings without judgment, which ultimately improves self-esteem. Brian Wind, Ph.D., clinical director at Journey Pure, affirms that mindfulness meditation can particularly help those suffering from social anxiety. Researchers from Stanford University, in a 2009 study published in the Journal of Cognitive Psychotherapy, found that 14 participants with social anxiety disorder who underwent 2 months of mindfulness training reported a decrease in anxiety and an improvement in self-esteem at the end of the program. In another study, 153 adults who used a mindfulness meditation app for 15 days experienced a reduction in feelings of loneliness and an increase in social contacts compared to a control group. Other forms of meditation teach you to recognize thoughts that may be harmful or counterproductive. The idea is that as you gain greater awareness of your thought patterns, you can redirect them toward more constructive models. A central review of 27 studies shows that the practice of Tai Chi can be linked to better self-efficacy, which is the term used to describe a person's belief in their ability or skill to overcome obstacles. Additionally, experience in meditation can cultivate more creative problem-solving skills. 3. Reduced stress. Mindfulness meditation can also lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, helping you feel more relaxed. A 2013 review of over 200 studies on mindfulness meditation among healthy people found that meditation is an effective way to reduce stress. Repeating a mantra, such as a word or phrase, during meditation can also have a calming effect. By focusing on your mantra, you are able to shift your attention away from distracting thoughts. David Foley, founder of Unify Cosmos, a meditation center in Oklahoma, states that transcendental meditation has a similar effect, where you silently repeat a word or sound to stay focused, and the end result is that you are able to reach a state of stability and complete stillness. A 2019 study, for example, demonstrated a reduction in psychological distress among teachers and support staff who participated in a transcendental meditation program. Researchers used stress scales before and after the program to measure the participants' levels of burnout, stress, and depression. After receiving a 7-step transcendental meditation course, participants practiced meditation twice a day for about 15-20 minutes over a period of 4 months and reported lower levels of stress and burnout compared to before. 4. Managing anxiety or depression. Mindfulness meditation helps train the mind to focus on the present, reducing the likelihood of dwelling on anxious thoughts that can fuel depression. A 2014 research analysis published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that mindfulness meditation can effectively help alleviate anxiety and depression and could be part of a comprehensive treatment for mental health. Research also supports the benefits of mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, a therapeutic program that incorporates mindfulness meditation. Studies suggest that MBSR can help manage anxiety, calm the mind, and reduce symptoms of depression, including sleep problems, feelings of depression, and loss of appetite. 5. Combating addiction. Meditation can actually alter the brain receptors associated with drug and alcohol addiction, which can reduce the desire for these substances. Additionally, mindfulness meditation can increase awareness of cravings and allow you to manage them better. This awareness is really powerful because it can allow you to ride out the impulse or desire without being overwhelmed by it. You can notice the impulse is there but don't have to give in to it. A study published in Substance Abuse and Rehabilitation found that mindfulness training can help prevent future relapses for people with substance abuse disorders, as it produces a therapeutic effect that helps control how the brain experiences pleasure. 6. Controlling pain. The perception of pain is linked to your mental state and can be elevated in conditions of stress. Many doctors recommend mindfulness meditation practices as part of a comprehensive pain management plan. A 2020 study on over 6,400 participants in 60 trials found that meditation could reduce pain in those suffering from chronic or acute surgical pain. A review of 38 studies concluded that mindfulness meditation could reduce pain, improve quality of life, and decrease symptoms of depression in people with chronic pain. A large meta-analysis of studies that enrolled approximately 3,500 participants concluded that meditation was associated with a decrease in pain. Those who meditated and those who experienced the same causes of pain, but meditators demonstrated a greater ability to cope with pain. Even if you experience a reduction in the sensation of pain, it won't be a panacea for everything and won't necessarily make the pain disappear. We can recognize that the pain is there, but we are not trapped by it in the same way, and this can be enormously helpful in managing chronic pain. 7. Makes you kinder or more loving. Loving kindness meditation, also known as metta, can help promote compassion for yourself and others. It strengthens the circuits in the brain that gather the emotions of people, encourages altruistic behavior, and decreases implicit or unconscious bias responsible for maintaining harmful stereotypes. To start a loving kindness meditation, you might think of a loved one and wish them happiness. From there, you can extend that love to yourself and to other people in your life. You can use a phrase like, "May you enjoy happiness," when you imagine that person in your mind. People learn to extend this kindness first to their friends, then to acquaintances, and finally to enemies through practice. A meta-analysis of 22 studies on this form of meditation demonstrated its ability to increase people's compassion toward themselves and others. Another study involving 50 college students showed that practicing metta meditation 3 times a week improved positive emotions, interpersonal interactions, and understanding of others after 1 month. 8. Reduces age-related memory loss. Clarity of thought and improvements in attention can help you keep your mind young. Kirtan Kriya is a method of meditation that combines a chant or mantra with repetitive finger movements to focus your thoughts. Studies on people with age-related memory loss have shown that it improves performance on neuropsychological tests. Additionally, a review found initial evidence that different styles can improve memory, attention, and mental speed in older volunteers. In addition to combating normal age-related memory loss, this form of meditation can partially improve memory in patients with dementia. Similarly, it can help regulate stress and improve coping ability in those caring for family members with dementia. 9. Improves sleep. About 50% of the population will suffer from insomnia at some point in their life. A study compared mindfulness-based meditation programs and found that people who meditated stayed asleep longer and had improved insomnia severity compared to those who had a non-meditation control condition. Developing meditation skills can help you control or channel racing or uncontrolled thoughts that often lead to insomnia. Additionally, it can help calm the body, releasing tension and putting you in a state of peace where you are more likely to fall asleep. 10. Can lower blood pressure. Meditation can also improve physical health by reducing strain on the heart over time. High blood pressure makes the heart work harder to pump blood, which can lead to poor heart function. High blood pressure also contributes to atherosclerosis, which is caused by the narrowing of arteries and can lead to a heart attack or stroke. An analysis of 12 studies that included nearly 1,000 volunteers found that meditation helps reduce blood pressure. This was more effective among older participants and those who had higher blood pressure before the study. A review in particular concluded that different types of meditation produced similar improvements in blood pressure. In part, meditation seems to regulate blood pressure by relaxing the nerve signals that coordinate heart function, blood vessel tension, and the fight or flight response that increases alertness in stressful situations. 11. Brief meditation breaks can help children at school. Meditation is promising for children as much as, or perhaps even more than, it is for adults. There has been growing interest from educators and researchers in bringing meditation and yoga to schools. Children who experience the usual stresses at school and often additional stresses and traumas outside of school can benefit from meditation. Some schools have started incorporating meditation into their daily programs with good results. A San Francisco school district initiated a meditation program that takes place twice a day in some of its high-risk schools and reported a decrease in the number of suspensions and an increase in average grades and attendance. Research has actually confirmed the cognitive and emotional benefits of meditation for schoolchildren, but more work will probably be needed before it gains wider acceptance. In conclusion, meditation is something anyone can do to improve mental and emotional health. You can literally do it anywhere without special equipment or subscriptions. Alternatively, meditation groups and support groups are widely available. There is also a great variety of styles, each with different strengths and benefits. Trying a style of meditation that suits your goals is an excellent way to improve your quality of life, even if you only have a few minutes to do it each day. Try meditation and see how it transforms your life. Let us know about your practical experience regarding today's topic by writing it in the comments. And do not hesitate to ask questions, we will respond to the best of our ability. Do not forget to share your opinion with us and leave a comment. If you also leave a like, it would be great. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video.